The sun filters through the canopy of ancient trees, casting dappled patterns onto the mossy ground. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, creating a symphony of nature's whispers. Amidst this tranquil setting, Liam, a man burdened by the weight of sadness and discontent, stands before the grand stone, a relic of immense power and wisdom, seeking answers to his life's perplexities.
I yearn for happiness, grand stone. I've tried everything, but it remains elusive, a distant mirage in the desert of my soul.
Happiness, Liam, is not a destination but a journey, a continuous dance between light and shadow. It is not something that happens to you but something you choose, a decision you make every day to embrace the good, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem.
But how can I choose happiness when my heart is heavy with sadness and my mind clouded with worry?
The first step, Liam, is to cultivate gratitude within your being. Open your eyes to the beauty that surrounds you, to the simple joys that often go unnoticed amidst the hustle and bustle of life. Appreciate the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of loved ones, the taste of a freshly baked pie.
I can do that. I can start by appreciating the little things.
And secondly, Liam, nurture your passions, those activities that set your heart ablaze and ignite your spirit. Pursue them with unwavering dedication, for they are the seeds from which true fulfillment blossoms.
Perhaps I should pick up my paintbrush again.
That would be a wise decision, Liam. When you're doing something you love, you're more likely to feel happy and fulfilled.
I will rediscover my passions and embrace the joy they bring.
Finally, Liam, extend kindness and compassion to those around you. Offer your helping hand without seeking recognition, for it is in giving that you truly receive.
I will be a beacon of kindness in a world that often feels cold and indifferent.
As you embark on this journey of happiness, Liam, remember that there will be ups and downs, moments of joy and moments of despair. But through it all, never lose sight of your goal. Happiness is not a fleeting emotion but a constant companion, a source of strength and resilience in the face of adversity.
Thank you, Grand Stone. Your wisdom has lit a spark within me. A spark that will ignite the flame of happiness in my life.
The journey to happiness, Liam, is yours to make. But know that you are not alone. I will be here, guiding you along the way, offering my wisdom and support whenever you need it.
As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the forest floor, Liam turns to leave, his steps lighter than they have been in years. He carries within him the grand stone's words, a treasure map leading him towards a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and purpose. The journey may be long and arduous, but Liam knows that with the grand stone's guidance and his newfound determination, he will find the happiness he so desperately seeks. The next day, Liam returns to the grand stone, eager to continue their conversation about happiness.
Grand Stone, I've been following your advice, and I'm starting to feel a difference. I'm more grateful for the little things, I'm rediscovering my passions, and I'm trying to be more kind to others.
That is wonderful to hear, Liam. You have taken the first steps on your journey to happiness.
But I still have moments of sadness and doubt. How do I overcome these negative thoughts?
The key is to not let them control you. When you feel a negative thought arise, acknowledge it, but don't dwell on it. Instead, shift your focus to something positive, something that makes you happy.
That makes sense. But it's not always easy to change my thoughts.
It takes practice, Liam. But the more you do it, the easier it will become. And remember, you are not alone. Many people struggle with negative thoughts, but there are ways to overcome them.
Thank you for your encouragement, Grand Stone. I will continue to work on my thoughts and my happiness.
You are on the right path, Liam. Never give up on yourself.
I won't.
As you continue on your journey, Liam, remember that true happiness is not about having everything you want, it's about appreciating what you have. It's about finding joy in the simple things, and it's about being grateful for the people in your life.
I will keep that in mind.
And finally, Liam, never stop learning and growing. There is always something new to discover, something new to experience, and something new to learn about yourself.
I will always be open to new experiences and new ways of thinking.
You have a good heart, Liam. And that is the most important thing.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Liam. Now go out there and spread your light to the world.
Liam smiles and turns to leave. He feels a renewed sense of purpose and determination. He knows that the journey to happiness is ongoing, but he is confident that he is on the right path. The weeks following Liam's encounters with the Grand Stone have been filled with a newfound appreciation for life's simple joys. He embraces gratitude, rediscovers his passion for painting, and extends kindness to those around him. Yet, a lingering sense of uncertainty persists, casting a shadow over his newfound happiness.
Grand Stone, while I've made progress, I still grapple with the fear of failure. It holds me back, preventing me from pursuing my dreams with unwavering dedication.
Fear of failure, Liam, is a common human emotion. It stems from the desire to avoid disappointment and rejection. However, it is important to remember that failure is not the opposite of success, it is a stepping stone towards it.
But how can I embrace failure when it feels so debilitating?
View failure as an opportunity for growth and learning. Each time you fall, analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and try again. With each attempt, you gain valuable experience, bringing you closer to success.
So, failure is not the end, but a part of the journey?
Precisely, Liam. It is through perseverance and resilience in the face of failure that true success is achieved. Embrace failure as a teacher, not a judge.
I will no longer let the fear of failure hold me back. I will embrace it as a learning opportunity and continue to strive for my dreams.
As you move forward, Liam, remember that self-compassion is essential. When you make mistakes, be kind to yourself. Acknowledge your shortcomings, learn from them, and move on.
Thank you, Grand Stone. Your words have given me the courage to confront my fears and pursue my dreams with unwavering determination.
You have the strength and resilience within you, Liam. Never doubt your abilities. Believe in yourself, and you will achieve great things.
I will not let my fears define me. I will embrace the challenges and setbacks, knowing that they are part of the path to success and happiness.
Remember, Liam, happiness is not a destination but a journey of continuous growth and self-discovery. Embrace the ups and downs, learn from your experiences, and never give up on yourself.
Thank you, Grand Stone. Your wisdom has been a beacon of light in my life.
You are welcome, Liam. Now go out there and spread your light to the world.
With a renewed sense of purpose and determination, Liam leaves the Grand Stone, his footsteps echoing through the tranquil forest. He carries within him the Grand Stone's words, a guiding light illuminating his path towards a life filled with dreams, success, and happiness. The journey may be long and arduous, but Liam knows that with the Grand Stone's guidance and his unwavering belief in himself, he will find the happiness he so desperately seeks. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the forest floor, Liam finds himself drawn once again to the grand stone, seeking further guidance on his journey to happiness.
Grand Stone, I've made significant progress in embracing gratitude, rediscovering my passions, and extending kindness to others. I feel a growing sense of happiness within me, but I still find myself struggling with self-acceptance and forgiveness.
Self-acceptance and forgiveness, Liam, are crucial components of true happiness. They liberate you from the shackles of self-doubt and resentment, allowing you to embrace yourself fully and move forward with a lighter heart.
But how can I accept myself when I've made mistakes and caused pain to others? The guilt and regret weigh heavily on me.
Understand, Liam, that mistakes are inevitable. They are part of the human experience, opportunities for growth and learning. Forgiveness, both towards yourself and others, is not condoning wrongdoing. It is about releasing yourself from the burden of guilt and resentment, allowing you to heal and move forward.
So, forgiveness is not about forgetting the past, but about letting go of its hold on the present?
Precisely, Liam. Forgiveness is about acknowledging the past, learning from it, and choosing to let go of the negative emotions that bind you. It is about releasing yourself from the chains of guilt and resentment, allowing you to embrace a brighter future.
I will strive to forgive myself and others, not to erase the past, but to free myself from its negative influence.
As you embark on this journey of self-acceptance and forgiveness, Liam, remember that it is not a linear process. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt and moments of clarity. Be patient with yourself, and don't hesitate to seek support from others.
Thank you, Grand Stone. Your words provide me with the strength and courage to confront my inner struggles and embrace true happiness.
You have the power to overcome these challenges, Liam. Believe in yourself, and never give up on the pursuit of happiness.
I will not let my past define me. I will embrace self-acceptance and forgiveness, knowing that they are essential steps on my path to a fulfilling and happy life.
As you continue on this journey, Liam, remember that true happiness lies not in external validation but in the acceptance and appreciation of yourself. It is about finding joy in the present moment, embracing your imperfections, and forgiving yourself and others.
Thank you, Grand Stone. Your wisdom has been a guiding light in my life.
You are welcome, Liam. Now go out there and spread your light to the world.
With a renewed sense of purpose and determination, Liam leaves the grand stone, his footsteps echoing through the tranquil forest. He carries within him the grand stone's words, a guiding light illuminating his path towards a life filled with self-acceptance, forgiveness, and true happiness. The journey may be long and arduous, but Liam knows that with the grand stone's guidance and his unwavering belief in himself, he will find the happiness he has always sought. Liam returns to the grand stone, his heart filled with both excitement and trepidation.
Grand Stone, I've been thinking a lot about our previous conversations. I'm starting to understand that happiness is not a destination but a journey, and I'm ready to fully embrace that journey.
That is wonderful to hear, Liam. You have taken a significant step towards a fulfilling life.
But I still have a lot to learn. I feel like there's so much I don't know about myself and the world around me.
The pursuit of knowledge and self-discovery is a lifelong journey, Liam. Embrace the unknown, the opportunities to learn and grow, and never stop seeking answers.
I will. I'm also starting to realize that happiness is not about having everything I want, but about appreciating what I have. I'm learning to be grateful for the simple things in life, the people I love, and the beauty that surrounds me.
Gratitude is a powerful force, Liam. It shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering contentment and inner peace.
I'm finding that to be true. And I'm also learning to be more mindful of my thoughts and actions. I'm trying to be more positive and constructive, and to avoid dwelling on negative thoughts.
Practicing mindfulness is essential for cultivating happiness, Liam. It allows you to be present in the moment, to appreciate the here and now, and to let go of the past and future worries.
I'm still working on it, but I'm making progress. And I'm also trying to be more forgiving of myself and others. I'm learning to let go of grudges and resentments, and to embrace acceptance.
Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself, Liam. It frees you from the burden of anger and resentment, allowing you to move forward with peace and compassion.
I'm finding that to be true. And I'm also trying to be more patient with myself and others. I'm learning that change takes time, and that we all make mistakes.
Patience is a virtue, Liam. It allows you to navigate life's challenges with grace and understanding, without succumbing to frustration or impatience.
I'm working on it. And I'm also learning to be more open to new experiences and perspectives. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and trying new things, which is helping me grow as a person.
Openness to new experiences is essential for personal growth, Liam. It allows you to expand your horizons, challenge your assumptions, and discover new possibilities.
I'm finding that to be true. And I'm also learning to be more assertive and express my needs and desires. I'm standing up for myself without being aggressive or disrespectful.
Assertiveness is important for self-respect, Liam. It allows you to communicate your needs and boundaries in a clear and respectful manner.
I'm working on it. And I'm also learning to be more balanced in my life. I'm making time for work, family, friends, and personal pursuits, and I'm avoiding overworking or neglecting any of these important aspects of my life.
Balance is essential for overall well-being, Liam. It allows you to nurture all aspects of your life and avoid burnout or feeling overwhelmed.
I'm finding that to be true. And I'm also learning to be more kind and compassionate towards others. I'm trying to make a positive impact on the world, even in small ways.
Kindness and compassion are the cornerstones of a happy and fulfilling life, Liam. They allow you to connect with others on a deeper level and contribute to a more harmonious world.
I will continue to strive for kindness and compassion in all that I do.
As you continue on your journey of happiness, Liam, remember that it is a continuous process. There will be ups and downs, moments of joy and moments of despair. But through it all, never lose sight of your goal. Happiness is not a fleeting emotion but a constant companion, a source of strength and resilience in the face of adversity.
Thank you, Grandstone. Your wisdom has been a guiding light in my life.
You are welcome, Liam. Now go out there and spread your light to the world.
With a renewed sense of purpose and determination, Liam leaves the Grand Stone, his footsteps echoing through the tranquil forest. He carries within him the grand.
Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.